Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. Today I'm going to review the independent practice. Independent practice means you are supposed to try these ones on your own. It's page 15 in the Review Real Number Systems packet. So, Lesson 3, Verbal Expressions with Integers, Independent Practice, Directions. I know you don't like to read those, but write a numerical expression that represents the given situation. In other words, if you do it on your calculator, you have to write down what you put in the calculator. That's what the numerical expression is. So everything you put in the calculator, you put on the paper. So I can see what you were doing when you were using your calculator, or if you're doing it without a calculator, I can see how you were thinking. Just write it all down. Then evaluate the expression. That means find the answer. Summarize your answer by writing a sentence, a whole sentence, with capitals and periods and everything like that there. It's best to rephrase the question in your sentence. Use your highlighter to focus on key words. Remember all those key words that we had back here on page 12? Yeah, those are the key words that you should be looking for. And if you find a word that's not there, write it in. Use your highlighter to focus on keywords and phrases in the problem. So, I'm ready. I got my highlighter. I got my red pen. I got my black pen. Let's get ready to math. Here we go. First time through, I'm going to read it. I'm going to underline the numbers, and I'm really looking for positive and negative numbers. It will be negative 12 degrees tonight. The weatherman predicts it will be 25 degrees warmer by noon tomorrow. What temperature will it be by noon tomorrow? Well, I have a negative here, so I'm going to take my red pen. I'm going to go over it nice to remind me negative number. Then, the weatherman predicts it will be 25 degrees warmer. Now, that's not one of my keywords, but I do know that warmer means it's going to be going up. Now, if it said colder, I'd be going down. What will the temperature be by noon? Okay, so my number expression, numerical expression, is negative 12 plus 25. Negative 12 plus 25 is 13. That's my answer, right? I'm all done. I could walk away right now. No. What will the temperature be by noon tomorrow? The temperature will be 13, and now I need a unit. I could use the little circle for degrees, or I could write out the degrees, but you can't do both. So here we go. Degrees by noon tomorrow. Period. All right. The local movie theater reported losses of $475. That's a lot. Losses of $475. Wow. Losses is definitely negative. I'm going to put a little negative sign here. Nice big one, actually. For each day for 3 days. What will the loss for the what was the loss for the 3 days? Each day for 3 days? It's that crazy number each. Sometimes we've had each and it meant to divide, but in this case, that word each means that I'm going to be multiplying times the 3 days. So it was $475 each day times the 3 days. Now, I don't know about you, but this is without a doubt a calculator problem for me. I mean, yeah, of course I could do the calculation in my head, but I don't like to make mistakes. So I'm going to knock over my computer. No, I'm going to take out my calculator and put in the $475, and I'm going to multiply it times the 3 days. $1,425, that's quite a lot. $1,425. Wait a second, Bono, you forgot something. You made another mistake, but this isn't such a bad mistake. I forgot the negative signs because this was negative. So now I'm going to pick up my calculator, I'm going to clear it, and I'm going to do it over with a negative sign. Negative 475 times 3, hopefully you can see that, is negative 1,425. So I need a negative sign in my answer also. So what was the loss for 3 days? The total loss for 3 days was $, because we're talking about money, 1,425. Now, do I need to make that negative, or does this word loss make it negative? If I use the word loss, then I don't have to put a negative sign. But if I didn't put that word loss, then I would have a bigger problem, because then I'd have to have a negative sign. So be careful. Sometimes words mean negative signs. When Steve woke up, his temperature was 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. He better not come to school, because got a temperature, can't come to school. 2 hours later, it was 3 degrees lower. Key word. What is his temperature then? Okay, so 102 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 hours later, 3 degrees lower. It has lower means negative or subtraction. In this case, it's going to be subtraction. So here's our boy Steve, and he had 102 degrees minus 3 degrees is 99 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to take it from there. So his temperature was 99 degrees Fahrenheit. End of period. Oh my goodness, Bono, not only did you forget the signs, you didn't put a period. There you go. Maggie owes the candy store $35. Each of her friends will help her pay off her candy debt. How much will each friend pay? Well, that's nice, each of 5 friends. So she owes, when you owe, that's a negative thing. So here's my $35, but it is negative $35. And each of her friends are positive, will help her pay off her debt. How much will each friend pay? That word each. In this case, we're dividing with each. Before, each was a multiply. Gotta read the whole sentence. So, she had negative $35 divided by 5 friends is negative $7 per friend. Each one of her friends is gonna be down $7. She's lucky she has so many friends. So, each friend will pay $7. When you pay something that's negative, I don't have to put the negative sign there because I have the word pay. If I earned it, then that would be positive. And that's the end of the independent practice. I hope it helped. Have a great day. And if you have questions, remember, come to office hours with questions. Wednesdays at, what time Wednesdays? Wednesdays from 11 to 11:15 or from 12:45 to 1. I'll see you in class. Bye.